to be talking about how we can transpose datasets. That is how you can switch datasets from columns to rows and how you can switch from rows to columns. For this purpose, we'll do columns to rows. That is one region and total sales as against being in columns like this, right? We want them to switch to rows. So I'll quickly highlight my entire dataset, which I've done. I'll use Ctrl C, then I'll put my active cell where I want the data to be pasted, and I'll come to the paste command in the clipboard group, right? And I'll click paste special. Now in the paste special, because it's the values I want, I'll check this radio button that has values, and I'll also check this button or this box that has transpose, and I'm going to say okay. Now immediately my data set has been transposed, but I need to do one more thing. I like the look and feel, and I like the phone number formatting that the entire data set has, and I want to replicate the same thing here. So while my data set is still on the clipboard, while it's still being copied and my entire data set is still being highlighted, I'll come back to paste special, I beg your pardon, and I'll say paste the format, and I'll say okay, and I'll see that the format of the entire data set has also been applied. I can easily see the look and feel, the colors of the entire data sets.